tsona tseo fela. Etsa thank you so much.
You're being shady. You're being shady.
I'm not. Hey, you got I'm not. I really am not. Namdada sunu yela. Yela mawela kami mawela go go. Ari. Ari. 1, 2, 3, wash up. Mata. Dalam pinasok ka kapila. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. Mommy knows even the inconvenience. Trust me, she does. One, two, three, four.
Cara ya to, cukup live. Asik Figara. Let's have a one. Best actress award. Vida. One, two, three. One.
Africa, yeah.
Go to Twitter, not go to TikTok.
Why?
At least there's better.
No.
When last did you go live on IG?
Now I'll go.
Now what?
When you were dancing in Tonga. Hi guys. Yo guys, I don't know how to feel. I have so much FOMO in me, right? So basically what happened was today when I woke up, but I was not okay. Like I was really not feeling okay. I was not feeling okay. Then I went to Joburg, right? From Joburg, I had a family emergency to attend to. I had a family emergency at an agency. It still works, right? So I had a family emergency to attend to, and I couldn't attend the awards because I had a family emergency. My heart, like I had so much FOMO, guys. People were posting red carpet vibes. Yeah. Man. Anyway, so basically, so let me remove the filter. So guys, I couldn't go to the awards because I had a family emergency to attend to, right? So my heart was so heartbroken. Like I was like, you know what? I didn't even get this award because I was I was up against Tanzania, actresses from Tanzania, Ghana, Uganda, America, Kenya. You understand? So in my mind, I'm like, I'm not getting this one. You know? Now, Wanga went to the awards, right? So she asked me if I'm going there. I'm like, I'm not going. Kari, I'm not going because I have a family emergency to attend to. And that means I have to do my own makeup. I have to get like a dress. You understand what I'm saying? And also, like, I had everything pila. Just that makeup I cancelled because of a family emergency. Kama, I'm sick. I have flu. Like, for the past 2 days, I've been out. Like, and I haven't been resting because of work. Right now, I'm chilling here, and then they sent me a message. Wanga sends me a message. She's like, oh no, I asked her. I'm like, are you still at the awards? She's like, yes. Then, Chiki, you won. Congratulations. What? I cried, guys. King.
What did Nene prank?
When I was just keeping.
What if she was just being a bitch? Read Nemola.
The name is fool.
And stuff. Yeah.
So yes. So now.
Wanga nala dress ako wanga ka may live this is all a joke.
Nana ile prank.
Diba ko beter baletse. Kan why phone?
It's a Jani.
We're like.
It's a Jani.
No.
It's a gozo. Busa gozo. It's a Jani.
No.
You look here, no,
Wait, there.
Jan took the whole thing. Even nine waka mulo. Nine waka mulo maybe.
Money come kona yung room.
Eh?
So level square abang.
Agi, tingwana samurwa.
Biang. Kana gusto tapar ka mo.
It's weekend, why you not grooving?
Kan let's pinasa ka channel, let's
I don't groove. Mang. But kini mara I think le jane ke mmudi tse tsa ile ka mo le engwe e fedile le ona okay o ke aga
Tjao biang wena ka re
wena Red Bull e nwele ke nna never benung le bala
Red Bull re ke tso mixa ska la ta kumka ba tsela lo re ke tsala nyana ke yo tsala metsi fucking bitch re ke re man ta ke tla tsholla
wa unruwa
Ay.
Ay, Sky, ke tsela re bua el thabo. Man ba bola le thabo. O nyo go tla bola liwa, o ino ka mlo ma please. Ke reng nna ga ntse yo ka mamlo. Please. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Fucking thing. Or ke reng nna ga ntse. Ke reng, honestly. You're
so violent.
I'm not violent, but what am I supposed to do with this?
You're a lady, supposed to.
I'm not a fucking lady to your Instagram followers. No, I'm kidding.
When only anger says you eat.
I say enga o better than kum kaba ta Red Bull sa. Mixa ya batho.
King.
O tsena bia go di dash ntsha o no bia dash o lo mo di protocol.
I don't drink. I don't drink alcohol though.
Exactly. So stay away from people's dash. It's not alcohol, but it's for alcohol.
No one said that.
What do you mean nonsense?
Red
Bull into tonic.
Nelly mixa ka se
Red Bull into tonic.
Nelly mixa ka se
On a simple Monday.
Ska ba mpotsa di tsompotsa ntsewa.
Mixa ka tonic le Red Bull.
Where is strips mosi? Ane jari ke na se strips.
Red Bull ke tsana tsa o mixa. It's not.
Sepedi o mixa ka strips le Red Bull.
Yes.
My sister, yo.
Oh my gosh, yo, you trash.
How?
Now I have to drink a dry gin and I have to get to my boyfriend and confess that I'm cheating on him.
I'm live.
Oh, they don't know you. They didn't see you.
They didn't see me, so.
Nah, kidding. Baru uto tsara ke high blood pressure.
O graduate le ko ka esafa ko makhato university.
Ntomazane. Mangero, ka tlo wangwa Jesus.
Are le thabone le di Red Bull tsarna di tone.
Una le maka. Mara
kana ka tlo le. Ai sengene guys, ke tsa Red Bull nyana ya mfila.
Red Bull gives me wings.
What wings? Finish our dash.
So I'm a Billy. Una le maka.
I can make it.
Janu uza se chipsi. Se sotle.
Oh, she let it boo.
Se ne se le so la e fedile re mmudi tsela na janu re fedile. So wena wa isa mo. Ngonyano ki.
Next year.
Ama aki tso ro tloma bya. Ke se chipsi man se fedile. Ke mai tsene ke no se chipsi. Ke mai tsene ke no se chipsi. A ke nana kwa ho itse tla. Ke spona mothalwang ashu. Le mo ashu. Ashu. Kweda.
Still have to confess. What are you doing?
Letabo, that was fucked up. Uskaira, nagenas tunyo, kagraba toba,
Are you threatening me on the live?
I'm not threatening you.
You're threatening to shoot me on the live.
No, I'm saying I don't have a gun. If you do that to people who have guns, they're gonna shoot you. And
For what? So you're threatening me. You're threatening me.
You're
You're threatening.
Listen to what I'm saying. Never.
Oh, see, you're
Allow me to
threatening
speak. Give
me.
me my 2 minutes of fame.
You wanna trend? I'm
I don't
recording
want to
this.
trend.
I'm recording this.
Honorable member.
Recorded my sister with your chest. Listen, I'm saying you are lucky it's me. I don't have a gun. You're gonna drink people gunmen's.
I'm gonna drink people.
You're gonna drink gunmen's dash. They're gonna fucking shoot you. You're lucky I don't have a gun.
So when no shoot. So I'm 13.
Why must I drink this Jameson?
So I'm 13. On the live. What's that?
Oh, like I can too. Oh, like I can help you have. Give it. You be like you're gonna get a lap.
Yeah! Hey, give me my money.
I will.
Yeah! Guys, this family. Make it exciting cousin tag.
I got hit with a Red Bull. Like it's literally.
Oh, but like a Red Bull. You tell
Well, it's all over here.
where is the empty container?
I think it's under the bed.
And then it's Louis.
He saw me again.
The shame.
To see
No,
what
but
happened.
the Santa Caperas, Balance about Maradi noodles still at the guy because I can get to do the man. Keep at the good thing, yes, sir. I'm going.
You know, all our in between family. What sound?
Ya no Hakuna microwave. Ya no kimasa mi kamba khadi. Akhona. Ema pini.
You're gonna boil it with spit at this point.
Yo man, khakiti. Po besti. Even na Pomolo, how do you feel? Ausi ulomukana kan. But let her wirang.
Honestly, that's how we're doing.
What do you mean, you're a big boy? I also wanna know what Pomolo means. Thank you, Biganya. Give me to Pomolo. Listen, you want to comment here, Pomolo? Give me to. Motheo a reng re ipatlela mills e ya mosco paging ya hae chomi o bolela lena ko te yo nyama ke lapile man eish go bua nnetela ke mogo man kara ke zbaya mogo man yo ke suka nothing ke suka next ya no ke suka la bete ya ka
From Cape Town,
but ngwana o dashitsa ka khouku
utlwalla ba reng wena mpya
Tlisa ke mara
mara ba ko phone ya mang
tlisa ke mara
ko phone ya mang
ke mara just because I can be
show me bona ke khao ke tlhatlhela sethunya no mo thuntsha dimpatsi re bulela ke bone patilo kwata no konto esizwe amen mana le batho ba bo go Instagram al tlono di Red Bull tsa ka thabo.
No, I didn't see it. Mong aring. Something. Hey. Oh, so they're asking about
What?
my partner, right? Yes, and they like Baraking.
Are you still live?
Let me mute. Ozzy is a big boy.
What big boy?
Give me the
Nose is a big boy. I'm older than him.
Oh.
Not that big boy, and then and he's actually older than you, Nana.
Spar is busy and stuff.
My chat. No, you know what my problem is. And obviously I'm always mising because you have his account. Why don't you go text him and guy? Why to guy? You get what I'm saying? And what puzzles me is the fact that abai go page just var ba ilo mmutsi sa le thabo kae mara nna batla mana mbutsoro kae and then last time ke check besides last time ke check ke nna ko hae o ntlalang ene ke nna ko hae ene ke na le apartment ke nna ke le one one ntlalang re ke reng ene a ke tsore re nna ka
or ke pretera no re reng
unna kurma
nana.
So like I get or maybe I get by dark movie in
No Ote where is he Ote
Aki no ke metse a usola a ke tsore se tsara ile na
ka 20 megabytes Vodacom. Wow, tell us the video
because you know what also puzzles me, ne? There's a lot of things that are happening in my life now. They can speak about, like for example today I won an award. Where was up every day can do one.
I'm not that check or win now what
and like I'm working with campaigns. No one is
Vodacom shaky
sharp way.
Why argue with people? Vodacom shaky.
Can I Vodacom? Marawa are mulongs.
Come along hang one.
But I wouldn't go outside.
Give me my itlang okay.
Not doing that shit.
Guys, please keep on voting for Barking Royalty Superheroes. Okay, so guys, we're gonna play a game name.
I know
Okay,
people
so
vote now. I know people.
Listen, okay, I'm gonna say, give me my money, ne? Then we clap and we cheer and you say the same thing. When I why don't you drink alcohol? But Joe, that 20 MB comment was personal. Thank you so much, Lebogang. But congratulations.
But what 20 mega? What? Come on, Katya. Hello, Katya, baby. Love you.
We miss you on YouTube, kid.
You know, funny thing. Professor Crow notification at that.
Okay. I'm gonna say, give me my money. Then and then give me my money. No, Luena, give me my money and then
stop playing this game.
We are lucky
we don't have guns.
One, two.
Sound as your gun.
You're gonna find people.
One, two.
No.
Give me my money.
You're gonna find people who actually have guns and they're gonna shoot you for this. You're lucky we don't have guns. Stop playing with us. Babu Taga, what the hell?
Guys,
please.
Today we are dedicating
that. Yeah.
We're dedicating that.
Give me my money.
This is I'm getting a gun soon. By the way, the Red Bull and stuff must end. Just because I don't have a gun now, doesn't mean you guys must walk all over my head. Ke strict am baby tla go be ai. Every tla go be no. Ska ngenza go di TV call the rage. Sister. Yeah, child that is gladiator. What is it gladiator or someone?
Give me my money.
Hell no. Nah.
Who will give me my money,
No,
Koto?
I'm saying that shit. Koto, if you said I'm gonna shoot you, I'm gonna shoot you. Say it, I'm gonna shoot you.
Kang.
Name dropping on your ape.
Exactly.
Koto. Koto
Koto,
le katlego.
Koto, call that spot scene. Don't do that. No. Such a menace. Such a menace. Go for lighting and then, no, I'm giving you lighting and then you're gonna stop bothering us.
Koto.
Hey.
Leave Koto alone. Koto's a good boy.
The way my name is.
And I'm a bad girl.
Damage controller.
Nako putse soulmate ya.
Soulmate daw mo pem.
Yeah.
Why did you get braces?
Because I got braces because you got them.
I'm
joking.
But
Bara katle whole mood. Ako bus. Bona o ari. Bala o ari.
No, I don't want to read.
Bala mo.
Read that kono wana
Ukuphi umelzi girl.
Ubani umelzi. Iri Shukuti
imo double Trump.
Ari ukuphi umelzi.
No.
Shukuti imo ngimutshontshile.
Ushukuthi umniki ithuba ngeviewers wakhohlwa. Umniki ithuba yokubuza ama questions.
Look what you've done.
Give you once IG and the Leakoto trilogy.
Amara khatse ngineki. Ngineki namselo.
Uslahila.
Besolo travel.
Kan mara birang mara.
Wena baru menzi. Uphi vele umenzi? Uphi?
Shukuthi imo
Mamela umenzi. Uphi umenzi lapha?
Angimtholi.
Awucheke lapha uphi umenzi?
Angimtholi kula makhaboto. Ufuna lapha embedeni.
Umenzi. Apho. Simshiyela hayi. Baya umenzi. Asifuna iskaftini.
Nah.
Yeah. Hayi reba pili.
Uphi vele umenzi?
Shukuthi imo ngimtshontshile.
Ulela ngithi kusebusuku.
No, shukuthi imo ngimtshontshile.
Asho ukuthi uwomtshontshile manje umtshontshe ngeview once. Ngakhohlwa.
Akhohlwa.
Hey. Umtshontshe unganaki. Umtshontshe unganaki wakhohlwa. Baring.
Hayi wala kudini.
Ke awu byi ari di bomba tsa ko Libya di ra yang. Bom irang. Bomba. Wait. Nah.
Hey, katlo bayekele.
And besides, I can't leave this.
Katlo bayekele.
Makhelwane are was already
Katlo we.
Ukela makhelwane.
Bayekele.
Bayekele. Was already with are girl get hash got hey wanna come. I was already changed into PJs. I can appreciate a drink, and besides I can't leave the kids alone.
Mara the kids mara.
Can't relate.
Hi.
Who?
Para cheka kara wardrobe ba mutshontsile.
Utshontshe ubani?
Katlo bayekele.
Shukuthi dase ngama high.
Mara le sharp.
Shukuthi le insizwa ngama high.
Ke le buditse kere. For my congratulations.
Ubutse bomang.
Thingy. Ke kopa le tshameke dipina tsa gage man.
Re mcimbini nerilemo.
No, ising eu.
Ke tsa dife tse ding tsa ana re ditse aperitse one fa.
But what happened with your relationship
happened to what?
Melzi? Kitshepi.
Tshepi mang.
I kitse ba re TJ Tshepi. A shilo opposite ka maruko ma green.
Oh, what Tshepi? Nothing happened, why? Nothing happened, why?
Why? Mbuzo
Why are you
milo.
asking?
Question. Why?
Elephant in the room. Nothing happened, why? Why are you asking? Why?
Why?
Hear something.
Why?
Did you hear something?
Do you
Nothing happened, why?
Did I miss anything?
Oh. Fill us in, Teppy boy, Mr. T. Mr.
Tell
T.
us.
Mr. T, fill us in.
As me stuck in me see.
Oh, I need to identify as A.
Yo.
A second.
What is Melzy?
He's not here. What's that?
Refill
the man.
Refill.
I could refill a lap.
Refill what black? What black I need?
Barile, no one must get alcohol anymore.
Kimarimbel.
If only she knew. If only she knew.
Penalty na. Rigi buleng kameno. My bracket. What's that?
Dentist 10,111. Dentist 10,111.
Nah, guys, for real. I fucked up my bracket.
911.
For Simon, guys, really? Really? For Simon. No, Simon, not Simon, guys. My bracket is fucked.
Damn.
I'm
What are you gonna tell the dentist?
I didn't go last week because I had to.
I khona nyina ke 11 na ke batla go robala ma.
I would do tumelo.
Chomo monneng wa me. Eish.
It's all my guys. For Simon, guys.
O ma kai.
No way, bro.
Are you old enough to be my mom? Ha.
Does she even look like a mom?
Chubara ke check mezukula ma braids. I'm so tired. I'm fighting sleep. No sober. Kidding up my bed. Shooting him fish my braces. Pero to sangatle your bracket is broken. Ushapu.
How they sharp guys are out and Lino.
Kid congratulations sang. Ki winne kia picanto.
Congratulations for Capican Power.
Why is it even safe over here?
Isn't Pican? Can we say that was crazy.
I'm so tired.
Tired of what?
Like I want to sleep.
Yeah, waking up a winner every day is tiring. I know.
Yeah.
I remember the first week is no winner sportswoman of the year, man. I couldn't wake up.
Ow!
Tell your brand.
Period. Sportswoman is out of yala.
I when that's Biala, but I go sportswoman.
I'm a fata Hawaii.
Mafatlaying when no study she's a guy mafat. When are you a fata or study sending mafat out on butter mafata sport? What's what Dallas sports one of them to wear? You drink like fish.
Guys, no, there's no way.
Well, I give sportswoman. I'm still the sportswoman of the year at TUT.
Okay, if you're still the sportswoman of the year TUT, why una alcohol? Do you think you're representing yourself and your institution right by you drinking alcohol?
Do you think my
after
problems represent the institution? Well,
Yeah.
So
I'm going to go through this life sober.
La one minister
yes,
of alcohol.
you can. You have what's this? You have a choice to choose to stop drinking. Drinking is not good for you, especially as a lady.
You don't drink
You're gonna
alcohol.
have a boozer face.
How would do you think playing sports requires me to have a fresh face? No, it's not modeling. I just need to score. I just need to do what I need to do.
It's a minister of defense.
Can you sorry.
Mukipeni my bed. Mukipeni my bed. But he's going to find a new girlfriend.
And then Angel is not gonna find a new wife.
But Angel
He's not gonna find a
but
new
he
wife.
ate Ntwaki's money.
What money?
Akina yo.
Unal call that advance.
Ashifa.
I time advance so much money and you have money and you don't tell me.
Akina chelete wa yako. Bakit ka tlogela basimanyana le bojalwa.
Give me the dollar.
Like
Ke fake account ya khatsiya mo e re ke mo block man. A ke rata go thoba sta mo like nyaka. Ke mo ntshitse. I'd buy you flowers but you're allergic.
But she has so many flowers though.
Wa legit o botsa batho ba go internet or wena
na ga itse ke bue sepe
o botsa batho go internet le thao
ga ise ke bue sepe
That way you can.
ba ga itse ke pa
After
mane
mo tsara no reka dash here that's all I need
kanti why o nwele
ka Coco bright this thing doesn't even slap
Coke with
anymore.
Jameson.
Which young? How do you know?
She poured Jameson right in front of me.
For real?
How do you know it's Jameson?
Ooh.
It's here, dummy.
What if ke Jameson?
What if it's Ravos?
What if it's called Jameson? You don't drink
You're gonna
alcohol. How do you know?
ruin your lungs.
What lungs?
Your lungs!
Current pay for the
Yes.
esophagus.
Your kidney, not your lungs. Your
Guy,
kidney.
if it's esophagus, ya double up ya ko male.
It's
Karota.
kidney, not
Karota.
lungs.
On top of that, I'm gonna pee now. I need to pee. Koto.
Why is the name drop? Actually, don't
Okay,
even say my name.
let me just say K.
Yeah.
K, wait. Tabo ro tira ngaru ile life science. Right.
Khate mara wena aka se khone o na ne le shata.
Mamna le shot.
Ba re nna ke na le shata.
Wow.
Womp womp.
Wow.
Interesting.
Did you study arts and culture in high school? Creative arts.
I think I did more of projection. Ne ke passed on ka cum laude. Interesting.
Ana cum laude go high school ne.
Na ura ura ke
In high school, there's
grade.
no
No,
cum
ura ura ke grade because
Hey!
ba re ke na le
Ko
shata.
high school ai teng.
E teng nna.
Hora wena lo wena le bona le study central one.
Serious.
There's no cum laude in high school. Cum laude. Cum laude ke utsi la cum laude LO. Look like
Doesn't alcohol ruin your lungs or
It's
something?
kidney, not
Bareng
lungs.
bat.
Smoking is
No, ke makaletse re tshepile Suzy. Chomi o le mme o mo kana
A reng e, Suzy?
o tlo bolela dilo tse di so mo life ya ngwana
A reng?
ke yone ya hore a ka se khone o na ne le shata
Let's see
A re-
mi to la manga ga se khone mang. Ka re melzu binela baeng. Ka re binela baeng.
Ai ka tlo a ke
Ga
rate
se khone mang. Re ka se utlu ka re fentse. Na le mathata mi South Africa eng. A re tlo utla re fentse.
a se re fentse re tshepile re ke mo blog
Mo sa mo blogger, wa ba blogger. Motho wa mo biela man. Married. I married.
to ing
Skawa. Married. Re tlo bontsha ka
to dimpiatsela tsa hae Rio le
Yeah, Rio. Married to Rio de Janeiro. Kota's married, guys. No. Ere ngwanyana kotsa ana Instagram.
ke emetsa o sora gore ko pinki re tshepile
Man, re tshepi.
tlahella tsomi
Oh no.
tlahella tso a usola a no ntsenella ka bo 11 tlahella tsomi
No. No.
ha o tlotonya manfred
Tse ke di mabang o tla go mollong. Let's music.
o ntse mo mollong
Music ola.
skate ke tla
Le mo mama. It's not my crowd.
in your people the
In
crowd
my
is dead
people, it's
the
not
crowd
my
is dead
vibe.
that's why
The crowd is dead. The crowd is dead now. Kan re fentse wa tlo re bjang. Se nna ke nyo ga toilet no go patela rent.
iya boy
A bua ko patela rent ke tsama sebaka ngere wa mpane ke tsama ka phone. So phone na ko laela ke nine.
sure from
E kone. Re fentse wa
tlela
go re bjang.
bashimane
Eh?
tlela bashimane
Listen to me.
O reng wena?
tlela
O
bashimane
reng?
Listen to me.
tlela mojolo ntleke
Listen
O
to
reng?
you.
Oscar Jola, you must be single so that you focus in life.
Focus on what? Focus on what?
On your future.
What
without
future? Because my
boys.
future includes boys. What future? Ah, no, let's be for real. No, let's be for real. Tabo, let's be for real. What future? Get my future includes a husband and kids.
Bari le na no di Red Bull mo fedi wing so score.
Ke manyana o.
Ke BK.
Ke goalkeeper BK I feel like a core.
#show Oscar Jola.
Black one, it's too ke KG.
Chomi Osama blogger, she deserves to see everything.
Pono pala go tswala le
a sa bolela o tsela gore o ke pinki
ke mang o sa roka pink ai wana o are di wings goal di ra yang a ke tla le bolo nna ke tla le sport tsa makhoa motsere ke ra fencing
wena Tshepo are you stupid
bothata ke eng a tsamanga ke di mara
ahu
a ka se itse he won't get the reference and ke
ahu
chomo le ke man di knockless
ke o se mo bena ko Pretoria
I
ai wena
actually do not bothata ke gore I'm gonna ask to smoke happily halfway through
why
ke no tsuba happily
why o tsuba habli lo na le namiri
kra matla
matlang
a sa tsuba
mmotsa ma
ne ke mmotsa mathata
o na le ma
a ke dilelo a ka tsalo I don't smoke happily anymore
Jehan Frank.
I don't know like I said to anything since one better ka bola ke tsuba ko pa ke tlosa tsa tsuba
Phone sorry dangerous.
o na le ma
no I don't smoke it anymore
Takubut.
I like no but some mama I don't smoke it anymore
Uskabe yo boela mo.
I don't phela e sharp
Dangerous.
I sharp ke bo
Ke
no
tlo utlora a le ke December. Dangerous.
Zamba tsa
December za go.
like flavor
Ho jagir.
Knickknacks.
no
katleo
I don't actually
Ah, beno tso mo.
no I don't smoke it anymore bro like little flavor ya tura so I don't like I do not chele like I don't smoke it anymore
Phela you affect.
Ingo bisa tlo yeah inga feta no
no
ya feta no you understand I don't
say imote
I would have came with my
jontima
habli you know me Petru I don't smoke habli anymore
uska mo fa chu don't give her
I
the
asa habli ngere
mau
ubita mawfoi no ko ubita mawoi no ntaka yinko ubita mawfoi no I actually smoke habli
why
I was too broke to buy flavor on Friday so I was like I'm leaving it
I never Tarimo
Pare matwa
hi sis Letabo you're beautiful katlo ke whole mood katlo wa ya ka yo serious guys
ke aga ka eng skar ka tle o ska wena go utsa ka go lta rage ene ku rage ba lebella di live video tsa lena so
ho itse ke dumang ke mute
o bara ba eng
I don't